Hello everyone and welcome. Today we'll be talking about blended learning, what it is, and how it's beneficial. So this week we learned about blended learning. Now there is speculation as to what the actual definition of blended learning is, but essentially it's a form of learning that incorporates technology into the classroom. Not just technology though. A big aspect of blended learning revolves around peer interaction and collaboration. It varies from a flipped classroom because it is not solely about learning lectures at home and then discussing it in the classroom. Instead, it uses technology as a supplemental to instruction and as a means of furthering enhancing discussion between students. There was one reading and two videos this week. The reading focused on blended learning through the narrow definition of a student learning partially in a supervised location and partially through the internet with some element of student control. The reading outlines 4 main benefits from blended learning. 1. Ability to meet students' educational needs. 2. Improving student-to-student communication. 3. Reducing the average overall per-student cost. And 4. Improving student learning outcomes. It also discusses ways in which to successfully implement blended learning. The videos, on the other hand, are a bit different. The first video is an animation that describes what blended learning is and the elements it needs to have, which are 1. A seamless connection between online and offline work. 2. Increased student collaboration and control. 3. Online classroom presence. And 4. Repurposed time. The second video focuses more on teacher and student experiences with blended learning, how they feel about it, and how it helps in the classroom. In regards to the reading, although part of the language may have been slightly difficult, overall, it was an interesting read. I found it interesting how the various ways they outlined, the way they were implemented into being blended learning, and the benefits that came along with it. I also like the image on the top right corner that you see on the screen from the reading because I felt it gave me a good visual on how to detect what blended learning is and how, if it's implemented correctly. I found it interesting that it discussed educational attainment and how blended learning would be able to meet the educational needs of a lot more students compared to traditional learning. That's something I really wouldn't have thought of. As for the videos, I thought they did a great job in explaining what blended learning is and, more importantly, what people actually think about blended learning. The animated video did a good job of describing the elements needed in blended learning. What I found interesting in the video with the students was how the teacher described her classroom as a rotating classroom, with students either working online, in pairs, or with the teacher herself. I thought that was kind of wild just because it's not something you think of when you think of a typical classroom, whether it be a type of flipped classroom or not. I've never seen a classroom that rotates in what the students do and how they learn. I thought that was really interesting. But generally they were overall pretty good videos to watch. That's all for today, and thank you.